Imagine yourself in this Kia 2020 Soul GT Line 2.0L. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 147 horsepower, 2.0L liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, clock, in radio display and cruise control. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.